Hey, everyone, welcome to Sim Code. Before we dive in, if you're new here and enjoy content about coding, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. Now, let's get into it. In this video, I will write a simple hexdump code in Python. A hexdump is a way of looking at the raw contents of a file or data in a readable format. When you open a file, you are usually seeing it in a structured way, text, images, etc., but that data is really just a long sequence of binary numbers or bits. Hexdump turns this data into hexadecimal, base, 16 values, which are easier for humans to interpret than raw binary. Each byte of data is shown as a two-digit hexadecimal number, which makes it more compact and readable compared to binary, which is in base 2. For example, the binary number 1101001 becomes D5 in hexadecimal. With Hexdump, you get both the hexadecimal values and the corresponding ASCII characters, if they are printable, giving you a snapshot of what is inside a file or stream of data. Let's look at a simple example in Python to get a sense of how this works. Our simple Python hexdump example. Iterate over the data in chunks of 16 bytes. Slice the data into chunks. Convert each byte to a two-digit hex value. Convert to ASCII where printable, else show. Print the offset, the hexadecimal representation, and the ASCII values. Example data. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a Sim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.